Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cordyceps tincture. Start by drying and powdering Cordyceps, then combine with 40% alcohol at a 1:5 herb to solvent ratio to extract active compounds. Store the mix in a dark glass jar, shake daily, and let it macerate for 4 to 6 weeks away from sunlight. After straining, bottle the tincture in amber dropper bottles and label with date and strength. When choosing a solvent, be practical and safe, leaning toward 40% to 60% alcohol for broad extraction. If you need alcohol-free options, glycerin or vinegar work, but yield different profiles. Consider doing a second extraction on the spent herb to recover remaining constituents. Always use food-grade solvents and clean, labeled glassware. Keep records of ratios and dates so you can reproduce the tincture and track potency over time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers to keep your tincture prep area tidy and avoid messy spills. They seal tightly and stack neatly for organized storage. I find they save time and prevent sticky counters, a small change with big convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a step-by-step process to ensure a safe, effective tincture. Grind dried Cordyceps to a coarse powder, mix with your chosen solvent in a sanitized jar, and seal tightly. Shake the jar daily and store it in a cool, dark spot for 4 to 6 weeks to extract actives. After maceration, strain through cheesecloth and press the solids to recover liquid. Bottle the strained tincture in amber droppers and label with date and ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.